In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PHP in Bluehost. Updating your PHP version can enhance the performance, security, and compatibility of your website, and it's an important task to keep up with the latest updates. So, let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. First things first, we'll start by logging into your Bluehost account manager. This is your main hub for managing all aspects of your hosting services with Bluehost, so it's crucial to know your way around. Once you've entered your login credentials, you should be taken directly to your account dashboard. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, there's a side navigation menu. In this menu, you'll find a tab labeled Hosting. Go ahead and click on this tab. This will take you to the section where you manage all things related to your hosting services. It's your go-to area for making adjustments and updates to your hosting environment. After clicking on the Hosting tab, turn your attention to the section called Quick Links within this area. Keep an eye out for the option that says cPanel and click on it. The cPanel is a powerful back-end tool that gives you control over your website and server settings, allowing you to make necessary updates and tweaks. Once you're in the cPanel dashboard, start scrolling down until you reach the section labeled Software. This section holds various tools and configurations related to the software environment of your server. Here, look for and click on Multi-PHP Manager. This tool is specifically designed for easily managing the PHP version of your different domains hosted on Bluehost. With the Multi-PHP Manager open, you should see a list of all the domains associated with your account. At this point, it's time to take a moment and decide which domain needs the PHP update. Once you have identified the domain you wish to update, click and select it. It's important to choose the right domain, especially if you have multiple ones hosted under the same account. Now, focus on the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a drop-down menu containing different PHP versions. Choose the desired PHP version you want to upgrade to. Bluehost usually lists several versions, so make sure you pick a version that's compatible with all the themes and plugins you use on your site. Keeping PHP updated ensures optimum performance, so this is a crucial step. Finally, with the domain selected and the PHP version chosen, locate the Apply button to finalize these changes. Give it a click. The changes might take a little time to propagate, but once applied, your site will be running on the newly selected PHP version. And that's it. You've successfully updated PHP in Bluehost. Remember, regular updates are key to maintaining the security and efficiency of your website. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.